Welcome to online classes, students. So today we are going to discuss about chapter 3 of EVS, that is food. Okay, so today we are going to revise it. So in this chapter we have to understand the topic, right? Food. In the first chapter, if you remember our first chapter, we learn about our body, the every part of that body which is related to our body, right? Every part of our body. So in the first we learn the life and the story of our body. In the second we learn the life of our clothes, which means what we wear. Okay, and in the third we are going to discuss about the story of food, right? So in this way you can see here I have divided something for you, right? Sources of food and importance of food, which is very important to you. So you can see here sources of food, which is plant and animal, right? What we got from our animals and plant is there. These are all the sources. Sources are plant and animals. Now what they give us, right? How we get, which things we get from the plant and animal. They having like this, you can see here fruits, vegetable, spices, cereals and pulses, right? We get from the plants. So these 5 things we get from the plants. Now come to this point. So what we get from the animal, you can see here milk product, eggs, fish, meat, right? These all things are given by animals, right? So in this way we learn about the sources of food. So now we come to point why we use this food and why we want this food. What's the importance of this food in our life? So this one is also very important to us, right? So important is in front of you that they all give us energy to work, right? They all give us energy to work, and we need food to live, grow and be healthy, right? If we want to live a healthy life, we need food. If we want to grow in our life, we need food. If we want to feel energetic in our whole life, we need food. So in this way, the food is our life, right? Every body parts need the food. Not because food made for us, because our body needs the food to grow, to get energy, to get, you can see here, what they all wants to say that they keeps us healthy, yes, energetic, lovely, grow. So in this way we learn the importance. Okay, now you can see here we learn the 3 things from our topic, right? Firstly we learn about the sources, and yes, then we learn about the sources kinds, right? Kinds of sources. So these are 2 kinds of sources, which are plant and this one is animal, and right, then we come to know these sources names, right? The plant sources and yes, animal sources. We can see here fruits, vegetables, spices, cereals and pulses. These all are product of plant, and yes, in this side milk products, everything which we have, milk cream, milk which we get from the cow, sheep, goat, right? Everything which we get milk, that is animal. So whichever we use the milk product, they all given by the only animal, right? And yes, eggs, fish, meats, you know very well, eggs given by a hen, right? And yes, this is the sources of animal. So now come to point what they give us, right? As I said, the food give us, right? These are foods, but now come to point these sources what given to us, right? So in this way we can learn nutrients such as fiber, vitamins and yes, protein and flavors. Flavors just like spices. Okay, spices give us flavor in our food, so that's why flavor also included, because of spices our life is full of flavors, right? And yes, in the animal sources you can see protein and carbohydrates. Why they full of proteins? Milk is full of protein, right? And yes, eggs, those who eat egg, they know that they all give us energy and yes, protein to our body. That's why we use it. Okay, Now these all things are which is related to food. Now there is a point how we made the food, right? There is two type of food, that is raw. Okay, one is raw, and the other one is cooking. Raw, which means we eat some raw materials, like some vegetables we eat, the fruits we eat, that is raw. That is natural. We don't have to take some spices in it and anything. Don't have to do, right? We'll take it, wash it, and just eat it. So these kind of things are raw. But the other side is cooked one, right? So how we cook them, right? So you can see your book. In your book, I have opened your chapter. So you can come to your how you what kind of utensils you use to cook, right? Raw and cooked foods are eaten either raw or cooked, as fruits and some vegetables are used as raw, and yes, some vegetables also used for the cooking, right? So how we use the utensils for cooking, this is also given to us. You can see here the tawa is given to us, kadhai, fry pan, and yes, pressure cooker. You know very well these all are cooking utensils your mom is using in your kitchen room. So you can go through your kitchen room, you can see them, and yes, you can ask your mother why they using these utensils, how she using these utensils, and why she is using these utensils for cooking. She will explain you, and what they made from this utensils, she also tell you. And this one is the activity in your home, that is very quite interesting for you. You will know some tips about your cooking skills, right? Okay, so tawa is used for rotis and dosas, and yes, you can see in a kadhai we everything done. Yes, in the kadhai we everything like a deep frying items and pakoras, everything we have done with the kadhai. And yes, fry pan for use fry, the simple fry, and in the last pressure cooker, steaming food. Okay, we can use the pressure cooker for rice, for anything which we can use for the steaming food, right? Okay, rolling pin, spatula, serving spoon, knife, some other utensils are in the kitchen. So in this way, we today going to learn about some tools and instrument which is used in kitchen and which is related to our cooking, which means we related to our food, right? So in this chapter, we only talk about the food, right? But just after we have one page only, so after it we will do the workbook also, which is given by our school. You can see here the EVS workbook is given to you, and you have to fill it. And how you have to fill it, I will give the suggestions. Okay, today I will tell you everything about this workbook, and you should try at your home by your sense, because we have done the chapters and this work is all related to your chapters. Okay, so in this way we learn some utensils which is using in the cooking in the kitchen. So these appliances are some appliances are electrical also. You can see this is the modern world of modern techniques. So you can use some electrical oven, right, which is used to cook the food in the oven. Some cooker, pressure, something appliances are available in the market. You can see which is all about the electricity, they used by the electricity. Now there is some knowing is fun, right? There is a point in your book that World Health Day is organized every year on 7 April. On this day, different awareness campaigns are organized across about the various diseases, right? Which means on this day, some people talk about the various health issues, which is about some diseases. So now come to one point, that various method of cooking, that is boiling. Yes, okay, we can boil our food items like vegetables, rice, and yes, you can see frying to put in a hot oil and get cooked, that is frying. Yes, how we fry the pakoras, we fry in deep frying the food cooked is lot of oil. That's why we should avoid it, because the lot of oil make your health little dangerous for your health. So you should avoid some lot of you know, if we want to eat some samosas and pakoras, you can use small little of olive oil, right? Just take off a section of olive oil and just take the in the oven. You will get the pakoras just like your fry pakoras. So you can use this. You can save yourself from the lot of oil, which is dangerous for your health, which is harmful for your health. Okay. So steaming. So steaming food is cooked with the help of steam in the pressure cooker, right? The process is called steaming. You can see here idli and momos are the example of steaming, right? We all love momos, I know, but these all are steaming foods which are usually cooked in the pressure cooker and some other appliances, right? These are very healthy because many nutrients are lost in this process. Okay, because not many nutrients are lost in process. In the frying, just I said that these are harmful because they lost their nutrients. In the steaming, they don't never get their nutrients lost. Okay, in the baking, in this method, food is cooked in the hot oven. This is how we make food items like different types of breads, cakes, and yes, cookies. So in this way, we learn some various various of cooking, steaming, frying, baking, cushions, and yes, you can see here are special things, which is you can say special foods or special state in the page number 23. In the page number 23, what we can see here, there are some states are given to us which we can learn it. And yes, in Punjab, what is famous? The parathas, lassi, makki, the roti, sarson da saag. Yes, okay, these are very famous in Punjab. And what is famous in West Bengal? Bhapa, ilish, mishti doi, and rasgulla. In northern east states, northern east state means Assam, Meghalaya. These all states known as eastern state, such as Assam and Sikkim. Fish, tenga, tukpa, momos, these all are the famous cooking of these states. And yes, Kerala, appam, avel, puttu. Serve international cuisines have been some popular in India: Chinese, Italian, American, Mexican. Chinese cuisines including noodles, fried rice, and dim sums, pasta, pizza, some famous dishes of Italian, right? Mexican, burritos and fajitas. I know I am pronouncing is little bit different from the real word, but these all are different for our Indian English language. So you can totally pronounce it in your way. Be fit and healthy. Yes, some tips are given to us. We should eat lot of fruits and vegetables. We should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses in a day. We should avoid eating junk food. We should avoid these burgers, pizzas. Okay, these all are junk food, so we should avoid it. We should chew food properly. Some people they only take the bite and they are not chewing it so properly. That's why they're having some problem in their throats. So please chew your food properly so the food get inside properly, right? We should exercise regularly and also sleep for 7 to 8 hours, which is must for every individual. If we want a simple and a good life, we should exercise regularly and also sleep for 7 to 8 hours. So this one is to be some tips which is given by our book to be healthy. Okay, in this way we revise our chapter 2. So now we can come to our workbook. You can see this is your workbook, environmental studies. Yes, worksheet 1, which is food. I can show you. This one is okay. Which one is colored? Food. Okay, I'm now going to open it for you. So in the worksheet you can see you have to get the spellings, right? You can see here, we eat food to help us grow and stay dash. Yes, first one is filled up, which means healthy. and in this way you have to learn this. And yes, in this way we going to learn it, that how we have to fill the code of these names. And yes, in this way we learn about some interesting topics. How we can do this by a play game learning method, right? Okay, let's do it. Okay, now here are some there is written A1, B2, C3, D4, which means every word having their code. If we want to write healthy, right? If we want to write healthy, okay, there will be code. Now E having 5, so we will write here 5. A having 1, we will write 1. You can see H having here in your book. You can see here H is 8. So I am writing 8. And yes, the code of L is 12. So this is 12. Okay. So you can find it very easily. Now here is the codes are given and you have to find the words. For example, 19 is given to us. You can see here 19. Yes, 19 is S. So our second is S, and you can see here there is written 5, and you can see 5 is, where is 5? 5 is E, right? We can write E. Okay. Then come to 5 again, that is E also. And yes, on the 4 we are having D. So it's become seed, and your question is, we eat root, stem, flower, dash, fruits and leaves of the plant. So we eat root, stem, flower, seed, fruit and leaves of plant. So in this way you have to fill this whole sheet with knowing the codes. You can see in the above, right? There are some codes are written. So in this code you can solve these sums. Hope you got it. And if you have any problem, please comment in your comment sections. Thank you, students.